turn that off. Number one. Dun dun diggity diggity dun 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 ba dun bum. What if I told you I farted in that seat?
Did the bell?
Okay.
Hey, you idiot. Hey, idiot.
Hey, what are you doing over there? Well, fuck it. Most common fuck it in the school. Roided up over there. Look at him. Just waiting. Stalking its prey. It's waiting. So.
Oh no. Carry Don's on Facebook. What does that mean? No. You want to know who's on Facebook now? Matt Barbie. You know who does not have a Facebook? RT and JT.
Edgar, if you had one potato, what would you do with that one potato?
Throw it at me.
Why would you throw it at me? Never. Zane, what would you do with that potato? One potato, I'm giving
Are
you.
you videoing me?
I gotta post something sometime today.
Post someone else saying something.
Oh, I already got Edgar. I got Zach over there. He don't know it
What
though.
would I do?
Hey, I have your consent.
I would skid it and eat.
Did you eat it?
Yeah, God, you crap out of that potato.
Hunter, what did you do with that one potato?
No, I'd probably get a gun and shoot it.
You shoot a potato?
Think I'll shoot it out of a potato gun.
Potato gun.
And eat it at the same time.
Ate the leftovers.
That's mashed potatoes right there. Eat the skin.
Ty, what would you do with one potato?
Chop it up, put it in the fryer, put some sauce on it, eat that. Put it in my chili.
Make some
Make some chicken and potato cheese sauce. I fried my potato.
make some potato wedges.
Potato wedges.
Potato wedges.
Make buddy potatoes. Buddy potatoes. Fried potatoes. Like buddy.
There you have it. Now you know what this crew would do with the potato.
Let's turn it down. Turn it down.
He's reluctant to turn down the music.
Let's just turn down your phone.
What?
That's why.
It would.
So I have some,
James.
quality time.
What would you do with one potato?
Thing up last period.
You have one potato. What would you do with it?
Yeah.
You're no fun. All right.
What do you throw it? I don't know. What do you want to do?
You can do anything with this potato, and you would just want to eat it. You're not gonna put any fixins on it.
What else can you do with the potato?
You can do a lot of things with potato.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, this is what you do with potato. You can eat it. You can make fries. All it has same thing as a potato.
You can use that as a battery.
You can use a potato as a battery.
Yes.
Our battery?
Not that big. Maybe for like a flashlight.
What if it's like James and a giant peach, but a giant potato? Then
Attaboy.
use it for a car battery.
Car potato battery.
Does he have reactions in
Huh? Just at a random.
Does you have them like this one?
No, I don't.
Okay.
What y'all doing?
All I was doing is that.
No.